introduce Heather to all these people. So, Vishal sir, ladies and gentlemen.
मेरे पास भी अपना माइक था, मेरी आवाज भी शायद आप लोगों को आ रही होगी। ये है हमारे हैदर, ये है हमारी ओफिलिया।
We've seen the trailer and it's a very intense film. What we're going to show the audience now is the making of Heather, because I think a lot of effort has gone into it. So can we have the making of Heather? And I need the audience. Why did you select Kashmir as a location for Heather? You could have chosen a Royal Rajasthan, you could have chosen any other place. But why Kashmir?
I wanted to choose actually Mithi Bhai. It was actually I was the place the film. So I think next film I'm going to place in Mithi Bhai.
So after when you were shooting in Kashmir, it's a very volatile place. So did you get scared at any point? You know, कुछ भी हो सकता है वहाँ पे.
You know, I did all of my whatever part of college that I did. I did right next door in Mithi Bhai, and I think that was quite a volatile place, wasn't it? Did you guys think so? Weren't we very disruptive in nature? सब सो गए हैं यार, सब NM के हैं यहाँ पे. And I also heard that NM is leading in points in this contest. Is that true? Super, man. So yes, Kashmir is, to begin with, a huge part of our history. It is something which all of us have heard about. And I think the most amazing thing that Vishal sir could have done with his adaptation of Hamlet was to place it against that kind of a backdrop. Essentially, Hamlet is it's a film about betrayal. It's a film about family. And we're calling it a family revenge drama. So to place it against a background like that, I think it was pretty phenomenal. Honestly, मैंने भी Hamlet school में पढ़ी होगी, उसके कुछ versions देखे हैं. Today it feels very boring, but I think Vishal take on it. His adaptation of it is so contemporary, it's so different, and it's so relevant for all of us. And I really want to say this because, you know, I was doing some interviews yesterday, and the journalists asked me, they said, you know, Chayad, you're doing a film like this, do you think the audience will understand it? And I just said one thing. No, I really want to share this with you guys. I said one thing, I said, I don't know about the audience, but I know the youth is ready for something new. And I'm tired of seeing the same stuff over and over again. So this is our attempt to give you something different, and we really hope that you like it.
Guys, are you guys going to go and watch Heather?
So
Really hope that you like Vishal sir's adaptation of Hamlet, and we really hope that you like watching Heather and me, Arshia, in it. And enjoy the whole journey with us, and take all your friends and go and watch it.
So let me ask you, Shraddha. We saw you as this very bubbly girl in April, and then we saw you as a very intense, this thing, you know, now you're coming in a very intense role. Which role do you prefer? You know, the intense or the very bubbly girl?
Intensely bubbly. I would like to be intensely bubbly.
How can you be intensely bubbly? Show us. We all want to see this.
Okay, so there is a sequence in the film in Heather where I'm dancing for Heather and trying to make him
You want to see a dance? I can't believe it. You want to see a dance? Who's going to give us music?
पर थोड़ा पागलों वाला डांस है, चलेगा ना?
What do you want me to do?
पर म्यूजिक के बिना
अभी म्यूजिक है आपके पास? आप पागलों वाला डांस तो विदाउट म्यूजिक भी हो सकता है.
आओ ना, आओ ना,
आओ ना.
आओ ना.
विशाल सर. सर ये शेक्सपियर का क्रेज कहाँ से आया? You've done मकबूल, brilliant, ओमकारा, brilliant, and all dark films. ये where did you get this Shakespeare craze from?
Actually, no, शेक्सपियर से मेरा ताल्लुक बहुत लेट हुआ. Actually, it's not Shakespeare, it's Shakespeare. So it's better. So I think that's all.
We heard in an interview you are really possessive about your hair and you're very careful. So now पे clean shave, sir. How did you manage that and how did you feel?
It's very simple. I had very long hair in Kamine, and Vishal sir used to be very annoyed because I used to keep making it between shots. And I think at that point, somewhere 5 years back, in fact it was 5 years to Kamine yesterday, so it's awesome that we're here today. Thank you. I think somewhere then he decided कि अगर मैं इसको फिर से कास्ट करूँगा, तो इसके बाल नहीं होंगे. So when we met for Heather, the first thing he said, वो सब तो ठीक है, character writer बाद में discuss करेंगे, but you have to go bald for this film.
Because this was a revenge drama, so I needed revenge.
But how intense of a character is Heather?
But it's the most difficult role that I've done in my career, I would say. And thank you, I love you guys.
You don't need a mic, you definitely don't need a mic.
No, so it's definitely a very, very intense character. Actually, I went bald for just one day of shoot. It's something that because this is that kind of film, you know, there are some films that actors do for box office numbers or for, you know, stuff like that. And certain films you do because they are films which you make from your heart. So this is cinema of passion. It required me to take my hair off and I went for it, man.